If your business depends on you showing up every single day just to function, then it isn't built properly. That's not a criticism of your work ethic. It's an issue of architecture. There's nothing wrong with ambition. There's nothing wrong with you working hard. I work hard. I actually enjoy working. But if everything, and I'm talking sales, I'm talking delivery, I'm talking marketing, if all of that pauses the moment that you step away, what you have isn't a scalable business. It's a high stress role that you perform daily. And let's be honest, that role is exhausting. I'm Shelley Schulman, and I help business owners just like you move from scattered and reactive to organised, clear, and in control. My job is to help you build the backbone of your business, all of the systems and strategy that keep it running even when you're not working. So if you're ready to build a business that holds its own weight, please hit that like button so that this video reaches more business owners who need to hear it. And subscribe if you want practical help and advice every single week. What most people call growth in the online space is often just more output, more posting, more launching, more pushing. But very few people stop to ask, can the structure underneath all of this activity actually carry the weight? What I mean by that is a business that relies entirely on your visibility, your energy, your constant presence is fragile. It might look successful on Instagram, it might even be making money, but it's one bad week away from stalling completely. If you get sick or you just need a break, the revenue stops. And that's not a revenue problem, that's a backbone problem. So, how do we fix the backbone? Strong businesses aren't built on hustle, they're built on three specific things. Number one, clear revenue pathways. Number two, connected systems. And number three, operational visibility. You should be able to answer the following three questions at any moment. If you can't, then these are the exact spots that we need to fix. Question number one, how does somebody actually become a client? Not, I hope they DM me. I mean, a pathway, a clear pathway. If you aren't there to answer that DM, does that process stop? If yes, you need a system that captures those leads without you. Question two, where is every single lead in your business right now? Is it in your head? Is it on a sticky note? If your brain is the only CRM you have, then you are the bottleneck. We need all of that data out of your head and into a visual pipeline. And question three, what continues to function if I log off? Does your onboarding continue to happen automatically? Do invoices go out? Does your content schedule run itself? If you have to take a day off for a sudden reason, would your business continue to function or would everything stop? Now, a lot of people try to solve these problems with tools. They think, I'll just buy some automation software, that'll fix everything. But automation isn't the solution if the foundation underneath is unclear. Funnels won't fix disconnected offers, and posting more content won't compensate for missing systems. You need structure first, and then growth will follow. Like building a house, you need strong foundations. If you don't know where to start by mapping out the basics. Write down, where does your revenue actually come from, and what are the manual steps you take to get it? Identify that one step that relies on you the most and systemize that first, because that is how you move from reactive to proactive. And that's how you build a business that will work when you can't. You don't need a bigger to do list. What you need is a stronger business backbone, because your business should be able to hold even on the days when you can't. If this video gave you some clarity today, please hit like so it reaches more business owners who need to hear it, and subscribe for more practical ways to build a business that actually works. I'm Shelley Schulman, and I'll see you in the next one.